everyone, welcome back to another video of how to convert your old clothes into new. Yes, lately all I have been doing is alter my old clothes into something new or paint or watch Netflix. Considering I can't do anything outdoors given the current situation. In today's video, I'll be converting two old t-shirts into something fancy or new. The first one would be converting an old t-shirt into something like this one. I've been seeing this a lot lately on Pinterest and some other shopping websites as well, and it is pretty expensive. And it looks really simple, so I thought why not make it than buy it. And also I'll be using my old clothes, so it is cheaper and sustainable. A win-win situation, I must say. I know winter is here and I can't wear this out, but anyway I'm not going anywhere out, so why not make it and keep it and hope that 2021 doesn't suck and I can wear all the clothes that I have made this year. All you need is an old t-shirt and some ribbon for the shoulder strap. Or if you have any old clothes, even you can use the straps out of that, which I'll be doing in this video. Mark on your t-shirt where you want the starting of your top to be and where you want it to end. Mark a straight line using a ruler. Okay, so at this point I realized I can't cut it where I have marked on the top because there is armhole. So I went ahead and marked a straight line from one armhole end to another armhole end, and this will be the starting of my top. And then I also extended the length of the top and then cut where you have marked. Try this out to see if there is any alteration that you have to do with the fitting. As of now, this doesn't look great, but I'm pretty sure it will turn out good once I do a little bit of fitting on the sides and after adding the lace. I marked on the sides how much I have to tighten and then I stitched it. Whenever you are stitching t-shirt or any stretchy fabric, make sure you use zigzag stitch. Double fold on one side of the top and pin it up. Now take out the ribbons because we will be attaching this on the other side of the top. I have cut out straps from an old fabric and I'll be using this as the ribbon. Now fold your top and mark 4.5 inches from the middle of your top. This is where we will be attaching the ribbons. Start folding the fabric and pinning it up. And once you reach the marked point, place the ribbon and pin it. Once you're done pinning, start stitching wherever you have pinned. For the second one, I'll be converting this basic t-shirt into one shoulder crop top. Mark where you want the top to end and also the one shoulder marking. Now mark the rough lines properly. Mark around the armhole as well. Now cut the t-shirt wherever you have marked. And then I tried it on to see if it fits properly. It's pretty loose on the side, so I'm gonna mark this out and then stitch it. Double fold the fabric, pin this up and stitch it. Do the same thing on the above as well. Out of the remaining fabric that we cut out from the t-shirt, we will be making a ruffle sleeves. One side of the fabric already has finished seam, so I'll use that as the sleeve end. And I'll cut out on the other side to the desired length I want the sleeve to be, which will be attached to the armhole. On this side, I'll put a basting stitch. Now take out one thread and start pulling the fabric towards the other side. This will create the ruffles that we need. Keep doing the same thing until you get the desired length that has to be attached to the armhole. Once you're done gathering, you will end up with something like this. Now pin this to the armhole by adjusting the ruffles and stitch it. I was super happy that I was done with stitching, but then when I tried the top, I realized that I had stitched the sleeves on the wrong side, and now I have to completely remove the sleeves and stitch it again. This is what happens when you stitch clothes at midnight. The next day I woke up and I removed all the stitches and fixed it, and I'm glad I fixed it. I love how it turned out. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me if you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.